Pinababa ko si Mrs. kasi may surprise kami. Sa kanya, flower and chocolate. Can I see, love? Flower and chocolate. Tapos yung sa akin, flower and money. Tiglan lang natin kung dito ma-surprise sa Mother's Day. Knock the door. Yes! Wala, nabili na akong yabi. Happy Mother's Day! May sad si Mama. Why man?
Thank you, love.
Papa.
Happy Mother's Day!
This one's also
Ay,
my
inuna pa talaga pagkuha yung pera kaysa flowers. Ay, nako, alam na this. Happy
you,
Mother's
love.
Day!
Thank you, love.